Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create a vendor refund voucher. Vendor refund voucher is created when the money is returned by the vendor. How to create a new vendor refund voucher. To begin, head to Vendor Payments under the Purchase tab. Now click on Vendor Refund and select New Refund. Enter the necessary details, including date, bank account, and vendor name. Enter the required amount. Now to save the refund voucher, click on Save Changes. Your vendor refund voucher is now created. How to edit or delete a vendor refund voucher. Now to edit the voucher, go to Vendor Payments, select Vendor Refund, and choose the refund voucher that you want to edit. Click on the Edit icon. Edit the required details. Click on Save Changes. And now to delete the voucher, click on the Delete icon. And you are done. Thank you for watching.